Let's look at this question from equilibrium. At 500 Kelvin, equilibrium constant Kc for the following reaction is 5. That is half H2 gaseous plus half I2 gaseous giving HI gaseous. What would be the equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction 2HI gaseous giving H2 gaseous plus I2 gaseous? So two reactions are given to us. Say for the first reaction, half H2 gaseous plus half I2 gaseous giving HI gaseous. Let us say that equilibrium constant for that is Kc1, which is equal to concentration of the product raised to its coefficient. Coefficient here is 1. So HI, concentration of HI divided by the product of the concentrations of the reactants. Reactants are H2 and I2. So their products, concentration of the products, H2 raised to its coefficient. The coefficients of H2 and I2 both are 1 by 2 each. So H2, concentration of H2 raised to 1 by 2, concentration of I2 raised to 1 by 2. That is equal to 5. 5 is given in the question itself. The Kc is 5. So we are taking this as Kc1. That is for the first reaction. Now for the second reaction, 2HI gaseous giving H2 gaseous plus I2 gaseous. We are asked to find Kc. Let us take the equilibrium constant for that reaction as Kc2. So the concentration of the products raised to their coefficients. Coefficients for H2 and I2 in this case is 1. So we can write concentration of H2 into concentration of I2 divided by the concentration of the reactant raised to its coefficient. So HI is the reactant, its coefficient is 2. So HI raised to 2. Now from these two, Kc1 and Kc2, we can see that there is a relationship between two. Kc2 equals, we can say 1 by Kc1 the whole raised to 2. We are saying Kc2 is equal to 1 by Kc1 the whole raised to 2. So let us see how 1 by Kc1 will look like. So 1 divided by, we are writing Kc1, the expression for Kc1. When we rewrite it, we can write these two. We can see that these two will go to the numerator. That is H2 raised to 1 by 2 into I2, concentrations of I2 raised to 1 by 2 divided by HI. What about 1 by Kc1 the whole raised to 2? This whole raised to 2. So it will be like this, H2 raised to 1 by 2 into 2. So we can cut these. H2 raised to 1 it will be. I2 also similarly, I2 raised to 1 and HI raised to 1 by 2. So that will be H2, concentration of H2 into concentration of I2 divided by concentration of HI the whole raised to 2. This is the same as Kc2. You can see that. So 1 by Kc1 the whole raised to 2 and Kc2 are the same. We know the value of 1 by Kc1 as 5. So we can write, substitute it there. 1 by 5 the whole raised to 2. That is 1 by 25, which is equal to 0.04. So Kc for the reaction 2HI giving H2 gaseous plus I2 gaseous is 0.04.